Hi everybody, I'm back for another video. I was in the process of doing some prep work for a planning video that I have coming up. So I'll get these out of the way when I had some things arrive today. One of them will remind you of this, and it'll remind you of this. It's Big Daddy. It is the A5 size. So I have the A5 Filofax Ochre Molden, the Personal, and the Pocket. I'm using the Pocket right now as my wallet everyday carry. And I've set up the Personal the exact same way. And I'm thinking of having the A5 size be, this I bought from a friend on Instagram. And I had no idea that the A5 had two pen loops. Look at that. There's a pen loop there and a pen loop there. I had no clue that she bought it and hardly used it. And so I'm thinking of setting this one up as the home binder that has everything that we need in it. And she also included some Planner Society tape and a Maybook that she cut down to, looks like a personal size. Yeah, maybe a little bit larger than personal size. So, the main reason we're here, besides that beautiful binder, is this box here. This box is from Mitts, and, oh, there's lots of goodies in it. This is the August. It's supposed to be the August box. Let's see what she says. Dear John, thank you so much for the support. I hope you enjoy the extra bits. The paper can be used to make your own insert or for your journals. I love your videos. Thank you for a lovely 2019. Wishing you and your family a happy holiday season. Love, Mitts. Oh, that's so cute. And I love the paper that's on. I think this was paper that came in one of the other boxes. It looks like it's a beautiful paper that was like one of the scrapbook craft ones. Very cool. Now this I don't think came in the box. These are cute little stickers. It says Hito Bito. So we've got Johann Sebastian Bach. That's the Botticelli Venus. I'm not sure who that is. I can't tell. We have Beethoven. I'm not sure who that is. That's from the girl with the one pearl earring. Is that Edison? That's Mona Lisa. I think this person is Japanese because of the robe. There's so much kanji on the back of this label. Yeah, I won't be able to read that. Those are very cute. Look at this! It is the Tokyo Station brass tag. I never got the brass tag for the Tokyo Station. I have the one for all of the others that I have, but not... Oh, I'm going to put that on my Tokyo Station. I might pull my Tokyo Station one out and use it for my art journal or something, because that's a pretty notebook. What is this? There's Mount Fuji. Daruma, sushi, matcha, samurai. It says it's a embroidery drawstring bag. Oh, I wonder if this is like a travel bag for, I'm just gonna open it up and you're gonna have to deal with the noise, I'm sorry. It looks so cute. Onsen. Okay, so that's like the like a bathhouse. Sumo. Little cherry blossoms. That is so cute. Could use it for planner items, or I think what it originally was intended for was for like it looks like here putting your travel garments in, because it says an embroidery travel bag, so it's probably for your delicates, but I'll probably use it for my planner supplies or notebooks. So there's that, and again, that I don't think was in the box. So here's a bunch of papers. Oh, here, wait. Let's put that down. Oh, such pretty paper, too. So there's this yellows and shades of green. Ooh, that's pretty. A purple. Oh, and some of them have texture, too, like cold press. Very cool. I'm so excited to use those. Could make a field note size notebook. Now, okay, so I think everything that's under here is what is in the box. So I want to make sure that I'm pretty close to center. There we go. Today we just have the cutting mat out, so. And this shows exactly what is inside of the box. Now this was the August box. And there's their beautiful business card with their Japanese logo. So these are those really fun stickers. I think in the original one, it came with like the old radios and TVs and stuff. And so this is kind of inspired like that as well. Very cute. Oh, this is an MT washi tape. It's a special washi tape. That is a beautiful... Let me see if I can open this. I don't know where my tiny scissors are. I'm gonna cut out some of this because y'all don't need to see me struggle with a roll of washi tape for 2 minutes. This is a British company, I think. Yeah, Morrison Company. This is a British wallpaper company, and they worked with MT to make this beautiful washi tape. That'll be fun to use in my bullet journal this year. Very, very pretty. Some brush pens. These are the Rochon Petite brush pens, and they're the light pastel colors. So they're very cute. And of course, everything is in Japanese. There's this gray one says, like, pale oyster, I think? Is that the word for oyster? So lots of pretty pens, brush pens. But this is one of the main draws for this box. This is a special superior labor pouch that Mitz was able to get. Oh, and there's their wonderful tag. And this can be used, you know, to carry your pens, your pencils. Those fit in there. The washi tape fits in there. Heck, I even think the stickers, look, the stickers fit in there. And, oh, there's more. Oh, I dropped a pen. And this last thing is a grid notebook in what size? An A5 size notebook. And it's a paper that's, it feels very similar to a Tomoe River paper. So that was the August box from the Stationery selection. Here, let me put the pens back in the pen. Oops, did I do that right? Look how cute everything is in the box. Here, let's do this. Boop, 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 boop. That is such a cute little box. So there you go. I wanted to do a quick little video to share all of the wonderful things that I got in here. And all of these extra things that I just really was not expecting. All of these wonderful papers, and the brass the brass tag is just wonderful. So there you go. What I will do is I will link the stationery company down below. I don't think it's on. I think it's on here. Let me hold this up so you can see. There we are. thestationeryselection.com. And then you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and their email address. Okay, thank you, Mitch, so much for all these lovely, lovely, lovely extras that I'm going to find some great things to do with in my journal for the upcoming year. So there you are. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.